welcome back to TRS Family Gaming, and today we had a blizzard! Or stop! Help me out!
What's your guys' guess? How much snow is there?
At least 1.5 feet.
A 1.5 feet? Lily, what's your guess?
About 10.
10 inches? 10 feet?
10 feet. Around 8 or more inches. I got snow beard. And I'm gonna eat it all.
Sierra, what's your guess on the snow?
2 feet. How far is it?
It is just shy of 11 inches.
Oh, I was almost right. I was 10. Around 8. I was 10. Around 8. I was 10. 8. I was 10. 8. Yeah.
Catching any snow?
Yeah.
Oh yeah!
Ice skating.
Stop and do a Slim Jim!
Let's go. The Kool-Aid man.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah. So I saw a squirrel popping his head out.
Out of the snow?
Yeah.
And it was right here?
Yeah, it's there, and it's like a little tunnel. Part of it got broken into by something.
Put your hands on it. See ya, Thomas. Oh, sorry. Hey, Mark. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Snow's getting already in my face. Wait until we go fast.
Make sure we don't hit these people.
You're doing that.
Whoa, a little bumpy over on this side. Her fishtail a little bit. Oh! Hot cocoa. Who's enjoying their hot cocoa?
Me. Maybe.
Who's enjoying their hot cocoa?
Me. Maybe.
Who's enjoying their hot cocoa?
Me. Maybe. You're blind. You're blind.
Nice save, Lily.
That was fun. Oh, never mind.
Watch out, Rory! That was a close one.
On your mark, get set, shoot! Go!
Next up, we have our presentation of Lord of Flies on ice.
Yeah.
Nice. Look out, Phil. Lily, you're supposed to be on your feet. Whoa!
Put you all to shame. Whoa!
Nope.
Oh!
We got it. Don't worry, we got it.
Are you filming this?
Oh boy.
And you got a bite to eat at the end there.
Hit only a little bit.
That's not a penguin.
Hey, that's pretty good though.
I won. My booty shirt.
Ooh, that was pretty good. Oh yeah!
Come on, Neil.
Are you coming outside?
There he is. Hello.
Hey, boy.
Oh, he's nervous.
Meow. If we are comes in the snow, disappear. You actually see whenever you go down.
See ya.
Yeah, wanna be down.
Oh my God.
Okay.
He's shivering.
Okay. Oh, there you are.
What are you doing, Ariana? So I've got a crazy idea. Why don't we build a giant ramp, slip right out of the hot tub and just belly flop down the hill? That sounds like a terrible idea.
Few moments later.
So we're gonna do a trial run.
Don't go yet. Ice. 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 Ice.
Ice, ice, baby. All right.
Test number 1.
Now the real question arises. Now the real question arises. Would you want to try to do this on your belly?
Oh, really?
Yeah, right out of the hot tub.
Haha.
No, I'm scared, I'm scared.
Okay, just use your hands. Push off slow. Push off slow.
That was
started-
anticlimactic.
All that.
Yeah.
And we got ourselves a man-made hell.